guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be showing you my brand new fidgets that were supposed to be coming tomorrow that I ordered on Amazon. So one of my fidgets is this little stress ball. It probably looks blue in the camera. It's green. It's green. It probably looks blue, but it's green. Here, I'll switch the color of my sister's lights. Here, it's green, as you can see. If you can see. I'm gonna actually put on green to see if you can see it with green. Ooh, that just looks gold. Okay, so yeah. Can you guys see that as green? Okay, you should see it as green. It's green. Green glitter. Okay, that's one of the items that I got. One of the items is a pretty messy item that I'm not going to play with. I got this little squishy guy. Here, so I'm just going to quickly show you these fidgets that I have. Like with this way. But this little guy. This little guy. It's a little squish mush. This little guy. This stress ball. It's really satisfying. A monkey noodle here. I have a monkey noodle. Wait, guys, I had a monkey noodle in my friend's house. So you can do ties, like make them bracelets. Like you can make your friends bracelets with monkey noodles. Say they get stressed in school, they're wearing their bracelet. You can like tie it up or something. Here, I'm going to show you what it looked like on a wrist. So first, let me tie it up. First, let me tie the monkey. Go. Tie the monkey noodle. So I can't tie that bell, but like I'm pretty sure you could like tie it like that. Right. Well, sorry if you hear like background noises, but just give it. Cutting down. Okay, so this is one of the fidgets. I already showed you that fidget. That fidget. This is another fidget. This ball that I showed you. Oh, I showed you the monkey noodle. I have this pink monkey noodle. Probably looks bright pink, but it's neon pink. And then I have this puzzle cube. This puzzle cube and this puzzle cube. Then I have this little toy. It's really, really cool. And yeah. Guys, I'm not going to go live on YouTube. Guys, do you hear that? So here. Then I have this other monkey noodle. It's neon orange. Oh, it's bright orange. It's neon orange. And I have this marble mash. It matches with this monkey noodle. They're like the same color. The marble mash and the monkey noodle are the same. So guys, I might be making green packets. I can make pink packets and I can make blue packets. There's no way I can make them. I could make a packet and I wanted to, but I don't want to. So here's what I got. I got this fidget spinner. I bet you I could spin this on my lips. Done. So I'm not gonna, but I do have those cute little fidgets. Okay, look at it. Oh, just in case you're wondering what this is, it's a pea in the pod with a vase on it. In school, I bet you what you could do is you could take these little guys, write cheat sheets on them, because they are taking a math test. You could write cheat sheets on this. The pea in the pod, the peas in the pod, or the pod of the peas. You get it? It doesn't matter. You could write the cheat sheet on this little guy, or on the container going with them. And then I have 5 grippy ball thingies that I already had. I had one already, but I lost it. And then I also have another one. So you can take 2 of these to school. And then like put them in your pants or something. And take them out and like look down. But don't make it like, looking down in your paper, but you're actually looking down your pants. I have this little tango toy. Okay, so I'm gonna start making kits, like, not for you guys. I'm gonna start making kits, like, ask me a color, and then I'll make that color kit. Oh, no, I also have slimes here, so. Okay, so one of you guys asked for a green one, but you'd know if you asked for a green one, but I'm just gonna do a green one. So, I put a slime, a marble mash, a monkey noodle, 2 peas in a pod, a little ball, this stress ball, and I think that's all the green, and one of these cubes. They don't have just all green, but they have green spots on them. So, yeah. So, that's all I got in this packet. So, yeah. And then one of you guys could win this, but it's brand new. I just bought it for myself. But if you guys want to win like a prize or something, I'm not going to ship it to you. I will give you one of these little balls, but I'm not going to give you anything else. Okay, so I'm going to make another packet like this other pack. So, none of you guys asked for a blue one, but I'm going to make a blue one. Okay, so first I have a Squishmallow slime, a Squishmallow fidget spinner, a Squishmallow tangle. It has orange and blue. This cube doesn't have any blue on it. A marble, or a triangle marble, a tangle marble mash, tangle grip ball, and that's all for that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this over here with the other one. Got the next bag. Same that big though. And I'm going to be doing a red one, a red and pink kit, because red and pink are like the same color. So I'm going to put this pink monkey noodle in, and this red grip ball, this red tangle slime, this pink tangle slime, and the pink tangle spin, the red tangle, the red basketball, the pink thing, the red squishmallow. Ah, and another cube. First, I'm just gonna look over here what's in this thing. Because I'm really curious to see what's in the blue kit again. I forgot what goes in the blue kit. Okay. Yeah, so I just zipped it up. Wait. That was unzipped. Now I zipped it back up. Put it over the other ones. Actually, I'm gonna take the pink things out of the kit because I feel like it. Because I think that's it's fun by itself. So now I'm gonna do a pink kit. So first, take another bag, like all the other bags. A pink monkey noodle, a pink slime, 2 circle cubes, this light pink slime, this neon pink slime, and this other neon pink monkey noodle. Oh, and this neon pink ball. Oh, that's unzipped. Now I rezipped. Right, now I have to rezip it again. Ah! Now I rezipped. Okay, now I think that I'm going to make an orange kit. So for the orange kit, I'm going to take an orange slime, orange monkey noodle, orange ball, and then I know this isn't orange, but I'm going to add that in here. Yeah. Ah, it's unzipped again. Now it's zipped. Take the bag. Now I'm going to just use the bag. And I'm going to add this yellow slime, this yellow squishmallow, this squishmallow fidget spinner, this squishmallow ball, this squishmallow fidget spinner, and this squishmallow slime. I know it's not yellow, but it's purple, and that's the only slime I have. Zip it up. Zip it up. There we go. Perfect. And yeah. So, hear me? I didn't really actually leave them in the bag. It is the same bag. Okay, so here is like the orange kit. Here's the orange kit. Right here's the orange kit. I'm sorry if you guys can't see that, but in the orange kit, remember we had this, the monkey noodle, this because that was the only thing we had, and this. And then remember in the green kit we had that blue kit we had this slime, this marble mash, candle, a grip, and a banana. Remember in the green kit we had the stress ball, the marble mash, the little cube, 2 peas in a pod, a slime, a grip ball, and we also had a monkey noodle. That was in the green kit. And remember in the pink kit, we have this light pink slime, this dark pink slime, and the dark pink spoon, this monkey noodle, and this little cube ball. And remember, oh, in the blue kit we also had this little squishmallow. And then in the yellow kit we had a squishmallow, 2 fidget spinners, a pink, purple slime, a yellow slime, a fidget cube, and this ball. And then remember, we should remember what we had in the red kit. Yeah. I'm really good now. Come here. I'm just gonna play with some of my fidgets and watch some YouTube so you guys can listen with me. That's gonna add. I'm watching YouTube on my TV.
It would be hilarious if you told Dell that you have a boyfriend. Okay, so I have a boyfriend.
You're okay with it, babe? That's not okay.
Why not?
Honey, you're too young. How old is he? Why? He's probably like 20. I'm not okay with that. You're gonna break up with him.
This is their intro.
What's up, Della fam? It's a great day to have a great day, you guys. If you haven't already noticed, I'm wearing our new merch, which I'm super excited about. It actually dropped today, which I believe is going to be yesterday by the time this video comes out. But let's tell you guys a little bit about what's going on. I was over here taking some product photos.
What's up, guys?
Say what's up. Wait, let me show them the merch real quick, this shirt.
Okay, so yeah, let me stand over here.
Stand in the light. We gotta
It
get
is
the good
a
light.
great day to have a great day. You know that's how we like to start our videos. So
I
we
said
have
that, babe. What's up?
the yellow. I know. We have the yellow TV logo, which yellow is my favorite color. So
I know, that's why we had to do this.
And then that says it's a great day to have a great day.
It's a great day to have a great day with the Della Vlogs. And right there, and we got the cool DV logo. I don't want the sun.
Comfy. Like, I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna be wearing this all the time.
Looks
We have
cute,
so many
babe.
other things that are happening. But first of all, before we get into this video, I want to talk
So